Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use HTML to design Figma plugins. This is a fantastic way to quickly import web designs directly into Figma, saving you tons of time and effort when you need to recreate or modify existing website layouts. To get started, open your Figma application and navigate to the file or project where you want to use HTML to design your plugin. Make sure you're in the right workspace so everything imports exactly where you need it. Next, look towards the bottom of your screen and click on the action icon. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Plugins and Widgets. This is your gateway to all the powerful tools and extensions that can enhance your Figma workflow. In the Plugins and Widgets section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in HTML to design and hit search. This plugin is specifically built to bridge the gap between web development and design, allowing you to pull in live website content directly into Figma for editing and prototyping. Once you've found the HTML to design plugin, click on it to select it. Then click the Run button to activate the plugin. This launches the interface where you'll be able to input your desired website and customize how it imports. Now you'll see a URL field appear on your screen. This is where you'll input the website URL you want to import and use as a design reference. For example, you could type in netflix.com if you want to study or recreate Netflix's design. After entering your URL, click the Import button to begin the process. Before the import starts, you'll notice several customization options available. You can toggle features like use auto layout, which helps maintain responsive design structures, create styles and variables to keep your design system organized, and use existing local styles if you've already set up a design library. These options give you control over how the imported content integrates with your existing Figma setup, so take a moment to configure them according to your needs. Once you've selected your preferred options, click Proceed to move forward with the import. Now comes the part where patience is key. You'll need to wait until the process is complete, and the time this takes depends entirely on the size and complexity of the URL you're importing. Larger websites with more assets will naturally take longer, so don't worry if it seems like it's taking a while. Once the import is finished, you'll see the Netflix design or whichever site you chose appear directly in your Figma project. All the elements, layouts, and structures will be editable, giving you full creative control. From here, you can modify colors, adjust spacing, swap out content, or redesign sections to suit your specific project needs. And that's it. You've successfully used HTML to import and design within Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.